teacher.
Good morning. Namo. Guide.
I am here. Good morning,
Good
teacher.
morning. Good morning, guide. T. Nick, good morning. Hello. Bo. Carrot, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning. Alice, good morning.
Yes.
Hello. Mond. Rafa. Dada, good morning. Good morning. Nobel, good morning. Coffee.
Good morning.
Morning. Hope Yang. Beitong. Hui.
Yeah.
Oh, Beitong, hello. Hui. Few.
Teacher, apa ya? Teacher.
Hello. Few, are you here?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Jam. Hello. And Fasai, good morning.
Morning, teacher.
Morning. Okay, thank you everyone. Let's start. Okay. So I hope we are all feeling good today. So today is our last lesson about 3D shapes. Okay, so we're going to review what we have learned. Okay, so first, let's take a look. Morning, Kopiang. Let's take a look at a video about 3D shapes and their net. Okay. Ready? So watch and listen.
Here.
Hello, Popiang.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, let's watch. What shape is it?
Cube.
Cube, good. Yes, cube. We're going to look at the net. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here is the net of our cube. We can see it has 6 flat faces and all the faces are square. Okay. What shape is it?
Cuboid.
Yes. Cuboid is similar to a cube, but its faces are rectangular. So let's take a look. What shape is it, please?
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Yes, good. Cylinder, very good. Let's look at the net of a cylinder. What 3D shape is it?
Cone.
Yes, good. Cone. Let's look at the net of a cone. Hey, how about?
Triangular prism.
Yes, good. Triangular prism. Let's look at the net. So a triangular prism has 3 rectangular faces and 2 triangular faces. Okay. We call this one triangular based pyramid. Okay. Let's look next. Okay, do we know this one?
Square base pyramid.
Yes, very good. Square based pyramid. Let's look at the net.
Hexagon
Wow,
prism.
this is a new one. Yes, hexagonal prism. Hexagonal. Because on the top it has a hexagon shape. Hexagonal prism. Let's look. So now we have looked at some of the nets of 3D shapes. We should know some by now. So let's just take a look at our vocabulary. First word, 3-dimensional. 3-dimensional. It means it has height, width, and depth. Okay. What is the next word, please?
Cube.
Yes. Cube. Very good. Cube. How about this one?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Very good.
cone
Cone. Good job. Cone.
Cylinder.
cylinder
Cylinder. How about this word?
sphere
Good. Sphere. Remember, sphere is like a round shape, like a football. The last word.
pyramid
Yes, pyramid. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at some of our 3D shapes. First, I'm going to ask Mark.
Cube.
Cube, very good. Cube. Okay. Guide. What is this red shape?
cuboid
Yes, very good. Cuboid. Dada. Dada, do you know this shape?
square base pyramid
Good. Square base pyramid. Very good, Dada. View.
Yes.
Do you know this shape?
Sphere.
Very good. Thank you, Few. Sphere. Fasai.
Yes.
Do you know this yellow shape?
Cylinder.
Very good. Well done. And the last one, carrot. Oh, she gone? Okay, coffee. Do you know the last shape?
yes I know
What is it?
cone
Wow, good job, everyone. Really good. I think you all know your 3D shapes now. Really clever. Okay, now these are the nets of some 3D shapes. Okay, can you name the solid 3D shape that these nets will make? First one, Nick. Nick,
อะไรที่เชื่อ
do you think you know what shape this net will make?
อะไรวะ I don't know เชื่อ
We're not sure. Okay. How about Popiang? Popiang, do you know what net this shape will what shape this net will make? Not sure. Jom Jam, do you know? This one? No. Guide, do you know?
yes cube
What do you think? Yes, very good. Thank you, Guide. Take a look if you didn't know. This net will fold up to make a cube. Thank you, Guide. Okay, Pobgun,
yes
do you think you know what shape this net will make?
square base pyramid
Very good, Pobgun. Thank you. Good job. It will fold to make a square-based pyramid. John.
Yes,
Okay, do you think you know what shape this will make?
cylinder.
Very good. Thank you, John. Cylinder. Oh, the last one is tricky. Does anybody think they know what shape this will make? Anybody know? Anyone like to try? give you a clue. Ooh. Anybody know now?
Triangle prism.
Yes, triangular prism. Triangular prism. Very good. Thank you. Okay, good work, everyone. Let's take a look. Okay. So here we have our 3D shapes. And here are the nets. Okay, so the first one is a cube. Do we think it goes to this one?
No.
This one?
No. No.
This one?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Well done. Yes, you're right. Well done. Okay, next one. Does it go here?
No.
Here?
No. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Good job. It is a cuboid. Okay, ready? Say yes or no for the cylinder. Does it go
No.
here?
No. Number 5, teacher.
Number 5? Not this one? All the way down here? Yes. Good job. How about the triangular prism?
Number 2.
Number 2?
Yes.
I think you're right. Yes. Good job. And the last one must be
Number 1. Number 1.
number 1. Very good. The square base pyramid. Good job, everyone. Okay. So we also looked at the properties of 3D shapes. Okay. This means how many faces, flat faces, or curved faces, how many edges, which is where the faces meet, and how many vertices, which is the corner. Okay? These things tell us about the properties of a 3D shape. Ooh. So first, you can see, what are these arrows pointing to? Faces? Yes, pointing to the faces of the shape. How about these ones? What are these called?
Cube.
Is it edges or vertices?
Edges.
Edges, very good. The edges of the shape. Good. How about these ones? Can you remember?
Vertices.
Vertices, very good. Vertices or corners. Very good. Thank you. Oh, it's hard to see. So here is a cube. What shape are all the faces on a cube? What shape?
Square.
Square. Yes, very good. All square faces. Okay, so today we are going to try page 65. Can you find page 65 in your book, please? Page 65. You should see a grid that looks like this. Page 65. Have you got it? Page 65. Have you found it, everyone? Yes? Okay. What I would like you to do, please, is complete the grid. So here you have a 3D shape, okay? We want to know how many faces does it have? How many vertices? Remember, that means corners. And how many edges? Okay? So that's what you need to find. Then at the end, it wants you to add the faces plus vertices, then minus the edges. Okay? So you need to do it for cube, cuboid, prism, and pyramid. Okay? I'm going to give you 4 minutes to finish the grid, okay? So count the faces, vertices, and edges of each shape. And then work out the sum at the end. Okay, 4 minutes to finish. Then we will check your answers. Off you go. Okay, 2 more minutes to finish. And then we will check your answers. Use the picture to help you. One more minute. Okay, let's take a look then, please, at our answers. The first one, cube, is our 3D shape. How many faces does the cube have? How many faces? Anybody? Can you get how many faces it has?
6.
Yes. Good. 6 faces. Thank you. How many vertices does it have? How many corners?
8.
8. Very good. And the last one? How many edges? Anybody get how many edges?
12.
Well done. Thank you. 12. Very good. Then our last task was to do faces plus vertices. So 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 12 equals 14 minus 12.
2.
2. Very good. Thank you. To the cuboid now. How many faces does it have? Remember, it's similar to the cube.
6.
Yes, good. 6 faces. How many vertices? How many corners? Can you see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should have got 8 corners, 8 vertices. And how many edges for the cuboid? Did you get an answer? As the cube. Take a look at the cube. The same answer.
12.
12, yes. Good. Which means this sum will be the same as well. Faces plus vertices minus edges equals 2. They are the same. Let's take a look at the prism then. How many faces does the prism have? Anybody get an answer? How many faces does the triangular prism have? Take a look. How many? There's 1, 2, 3 rectangular ones plus 1, 2 triangular faces. How many is that altogether? 3 plus 2 equals how many? Look at my fingers, I'm showing you.
5.
5, yes. 5 faces. Ooh. How many vertices, please? There's 3 here, plus 3 more equals?
6.
Yes, very good, 6. And last one, how many edges? There's 3 on this side, plus 3 plus 1, 2, 3 more. 3 plus 3 equals 3 times 3 is
9.
9, yes. Okay, 9. Then, to work out the sum, 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 9 equals 11 minus how many?
2.
2, very good. Oh, look. 2, 2, 2. Okay, pyramid is the last one. How many faces does it have, please?
5.
5, good. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. How many edges does it have?
4, 5. 8.
8, good. 8 edges. Oh. Very good. Okay. Then we need to do 5 plus 5. Yes, the answer is 2 again. Wow. So look, for each shape, when we add the faces and vertices and minus the edges, the answer is always
2.
2. Yes. Okay. Good job. When you've finished your page, you can close your book. Okay? When you've finished, you can close your book. Then we will look at the next thing. Okay. So, I want to show you some pictures. So here is a picture of lots of buildings. Can you see? And in those buildings, in this drawing, you can see the buildings are cuboid shapes. Yes. The street lights on the top are spheres. Can you see? The chimneys up here are cylinder shapes. And the roof up here is a square-based pyramid. Okay? So shapes are all around us all the time. Okay? We use 3D shapes in lots of things. So let's take a look at this video showing our 3D shapes around us.
What's up, readers? It's Mr. Porter. The title of our story is All About 3D Shapes, written and read by me, Mr. Porter. 3D shapes here and there, 3D shapes everywhere. A cone has a vertex on top with a bottom that is flat. It can be an ice cream cone, a traffic cone, a hat. A sphere is a 3D shape with one curved face. It can be a ball or the moon in space. A cylinder has two flat faces on the bottom and the top. It can be a glue stick, a candle, or soda pop. A cube has faces that are all squares. It can be a dice or a box filled with bears. Look around your class or room and see if you can find 3D shapes too.
Okay, so we know 3D shapes are all around us. Okay. So, there is another drawer using 3D shapes. Right, the game I have today for you to try at home is all about building, okay? So I want you to see what you can build with different shapes, okay? So I will send the link here. But I will show you now what to do. So your page should look like this. Look here. I need to use these shapes to build. What animal do you think it is? What animal do you think it is? You know?
Turtle.
Turtle, yes. So I can see I need a shape that looks like this. To turn it round, you click and spin. Okay. There we go. And another one, click. Spin. Okay. For the head, I think I need this shape. Here. Okay, do you see what I'm doing? Using the shapes to build a picture. Okay, maybe I could use a triangle. I think if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you use the arrows there. Okay, until you fill all the spaces. If you want to do a different picture, can you see here? You can click this and choose a different picture. Ooh. Okay, so you could do a boat, a rocket, car. Okay, do you see? So I wonder what shapes you can make at home. Okay, so please play game at home. Okay. You understand? Can you see the link? Yes? Everyone has it in the chat? Okay. Right. So today we are finished. Well done. So your job now is to play that game and see what you can build. Maybe you can make a turtle or a car. Okay? Right, everyone? Well done today. We are finished. So I will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Oh, yes, I can send it again. Can you see it now? Okay. Okay, everyone. Well done. Goodbye. I'll see you next week.
See you next week, teacher.
Bye. Well
Bye
done.
bye.
Bye-bye.